Hey guys, so before you buy anything on Udemy, I want you to be aware that we have a Gumroad store. Just put gumroad.com/myname. This is basically the same way as Udemy, but I have a full control of my content, and also everything here is way faster. So in case you don't know, every time I upload a new video on Udemy right here, it uploads like this. And then the processing takes probably less than 3 hours or so, and sometimes if it's being moody, 5 hours, or sometimes I have to wait the next day for it to actually come through, and for the video to be live. But here on Gumroad, I can just select my video, upload it here, 15 minutes later or way less than that, my video is ready for streaming, and my students and followers can automatically view it. And also we have this thing right here. Every time I upload a video here on Gumroad, I can send an email to the people that bought this, the customers or the students, and they will get an email that there is a new video and that they can watch it. On Udemy right here, that simply cannot happen. I have to create an announcement or so and send it to the students, but I only have a minimum of 4 every month, and students have to manually review my course to see if there is a new video. But one of the downside that I don't like here is the fact that I have to email support all the time every time I upload a new video for them to enable adaptive streaming, as they call it, which turns my video into a 1080p. Now, my videos by default are 1080p, but when I upload it on Udemy, Udemy turns it into 720p. But on Gumroad right here, as you can see, it's automatically 1080p, and I don't have to email support or anything of that, etc. So with full controls over my courses, full controls of the price, and faster upload and email notification, I suggest you guys just buy this on Gumroad for your sake and my sake, because I don't know if you know, but if my course sale for the price here, $9.99, I usually get around $9 or $9.20 or 30 cents, depending on the sale. Gumroad only takes about 80 cents per sale, whereas Udemy take about 50% or 75%, depending on if it sells on organic or affiliate. So it's really much more reasonable here on Gumroad. So what else do we have here? We have a Patreon page. So patreon/myname again, and everything is in here. Every single social links that I have. All the infos are here too. And if you're really not aware of the sites and the social links that I have, just remember this site right here, because everything is right here, okay? From Discord right here, YouTube, Twitch, ArtStation, Instagram, Unity Connect, Udemy, and Gumroad. So on Twitch right here, if you just click those pictures, it's going to transfer you on Twitch. We usually stream every weekend around Saturday. At least I try to push that. And don't worry, everything is free here. It's just basically troubleshooting, chilling with the people on Discord, and just doing art, you know? What we do basically is we have like a survey, just like this current one that we did. As you can see, we have vote right here. So basically, I let students vote on what they want me to stream about or model, and we do that live in Twitch. And they watch me basically create that model, and it's live, so they ask me questions, and I talk to them and stuff like that, and it's so much easier to kind of like model, and it's not boring on my side, because right now I'm talking to myself, but when I'm streaming, I'm talking to them. So if you really want to quickly follow me on Twitch, just click this picture right here, and it should automatically transfer you to Twitch right here, and just hit follow. And one more thing about the streaming, like I said, here we stream every weekends, but the time will depend on the student's availability, and that is usually determined on Discord. Okay, and also shout out to the people that bought my course, because now when I look at my name here on Udemy, if I just type it here and enter, as you can see, all my courses here has the best seller tag. Now it looks like a scam, but it's really not. I've worked hard on these courses, even though I'm just a new teacher. It's such a great accomplishment to have this. So again, thank you for all the students that bought my course. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's keep learning together. Alright, I'll see you on the next video.